Peekaboo! Today we're doing letter J. And today, remember, the dot comes second. Okay, friends, we're doing the letter J today. And this is the important part of the J is remembering that you do that dot second. So you're going to come down, like all our letters. They start at the top, they come down, turn, and then put your dot on. In the capital letter, you put a line on second. So down, turn, lift your pencil for the line. Down, turn, lift your pencil, line. Down, turn, lift, and line. For your lowercase, that's when we practice our dot. So down, past the bottom line, turn, lift for your dot. Down past the bottom line, turn, lift for your dot. And just be careful which way you turn. You are turning to the left every time. Down, turn left, dot at the top. Okay? When you get to the bottom, go ahead and copy each word, practicing your neat handwriting. Look at that. Ooh, that was a good one. I stays between the lines, so just bump those lines. Don't make them too small. Don't make them too big. Look how slow Mrs. Valor's moving. Just take your time. Make it look nice. This is where you practice really good handwriting, and then hopefully it will stick, and you will have nice handwriting whenever you write. All right? So you're writing jigsaw, jacket, adjust, and then one more time. Jigsaw, jacket, adjust.